What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is a field of science and technology that utilizes biological systems, living organisms, and their parts to create or produce new products. These products are beneficial to us humans and also contribute to the wellness of our planet. We use biotechnology in various areas of our lives every day. The applications of biotechnology are so diverse that it has been classified into different types. Red biotechnology or medical biotechnology. It looks into the discovery and development of innovative drugs and treatments, which includes production of vaccines and antibiotics, molecular diagnostic techniques, regenerative therapies, and development of artificial organs, etc. Yellow biotechnology focuses on food production. Research on reducing levels of saturated fats in cooking oils, use of fermentation in making wine, cheese, and beer are a few examples. Green biotechnology focuses on agriculture, for example, on production of biofertilizers, biopesticides, and development of genetically modified crops. These crops are more nutritious, pest resistant, and have tolerance to extreme weather conditions like droughts or frost. Grey biotechnology refers to bioremediation processes for the conservation and restoration of contaminated natural ecosystems. This is done with the help of plants and microorganisms. Cleaning up of oil spills in the ocean is an example. Blue biotechnology explores marine resources to get aquaculture cosmetics and healthcare products. Wound dressings coated with chitosan, a sugar from shrimp and crab shells, is an example of blue biotechnology. White biotechnology relates to industrial biotechnology, wherein the focus is to improve manufacturing process by designing low resource consuming processes and products, thus making the industries more efficient and sustainable. Development of bioplastics and sustainable energy sources like biofuels from lignocellulosic biomass is an example of white biotechnology. Brown biotechnology. It is related to the management of arid lands and deserts. Also known as desert biotechnology, this technology aims at developing disease-free, high-quality seeds that could withstand extreme arid climatic conditions. Creation of new agricultural methods suitable for desert areas and management of resources such as rational use of water in low rainfall areas is also a focus of brown biotechnology. Gold biotechnology or computational biology. It involves bioinformatics and is responsible for obtaining, storing, and analyzing biological data, mostly in the form of DNA and amino acid sequences. Dark biotechnology. It refers to the use of microorganisms and toxins for causing diseases and death in humans, livestock, and crops. Bioterrorism, biological weapons, and biowarfare are some terms used to describe such gruesome acts. This dark side of biotechnology is one of the largest ethical concerns we face today. Violet biotechnology or purple biotechnology. It is related to law, ethical and philosophical issues around biotechnology. Issues related to publication, invention, intellectual property rights and patents of biotechnology are dealt with under this category. Violet or purple biotechnology encourages people, researchers, to be morally responsible by reminding them the limits set by law and also pointing out that every life is precious. As it is said, with great power comes great responsibility. If not used wisely, this technology could pose certain risks, such as unforeseen allergies caused by consumption of genetically modified crops, threat to biodiversity caused by selection pressures coming from introduction of genetically improved organisms into the environment, socio-economic concerns such as biased use of technology, widening the gap between the rich and poor, ethical issues concerning cloning, weaponizing biology by causing intentional outbreaks of diseases. But when used ethically, backed by careful and meticulous research, biotechnology is a phenomenal technology proven to improve lives. Thank you. Please Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Comprehend Biotech. Until next time, bye-bye.